and welcome to PittPharmacy. My name is RxAmbassador, and I'm from Germantown, Maryland. I'm currently a second-year pharmacy student in the 2+4 program at the University of Pittsburgh. I chose PittPharmacy because of the amazing connections to UPMC and the hands-on learning involved in the curriculum. I currently work as an inpatient pharmacy intern at UPMC Presbyterian and also have experience as an intern at CVS and also worked as a research and development intern at AstraZeneca. I am currently interested in clinical pharmacy and hope to specialize in pediatrics. Some of the extracurriculars I'm involved in include RxAmbassadors, the Student National Pharmaceutical Association, and I also serve as a student mentor for pre-pharmacy undergraduate students and first-year pharmacy students as well. Outside of school, I enjoy spending time with my family and friends and my golden doodle Ollie. I also play the piano and the flute. Did you know that Pitt is home to UPMC, which is one of the busiest organ transplant centers in the world? Hail to PittPharmacy!